In the last section, we built an operational dashboard to enable the management of day-to-day performance. In this section, we'll focus on enabling analysts to effortlessly explore trends and extract insights from the data. After an overview of this project, we'll design a robust time series chart and create parameters to control which measures are displayed, how they're aggregated, and how they're filtered or sliced. Then we'll build a highlight table to provide the instant raw numbers an analyst generally needs. And finally, we'll explore the different ways to extract raw or aggregate data from the viz for further processing. Now, the ideal scenario is for analysts to have their own Tableau licenses for the ultimate flexible and powerful approach. If that's not possible, or if you as an analyst want to build your own dashboards to increase efficiency in handling your most common tasks, this section is for you. As an analyst, these are some of the most fun dashboards you can build for yourself or your team, and certainly the most powerful compared to what we've made so far. This type of dashboard is not meant for occasional manager-level use. The level of detail could easily overwhelm them. The number of options available in this dashboard are best suited for an analyst or analyst team who is regularly interfacing with the data to extract insights. We want to use these dashboards to help analysts explore root causes, dig into trends, and uncover insights hidden in the data by allowing a flexible, multi-angled approach. We'll use advanced techniques in Tableau to provide tools to more effectively and efficiently extract knowledge from data. Let's explore the dashboard we'll be creating. First, we have a time series combo chart with lines and bars, so we compare not only one metric against another, but also a breakdown of a measure by a dimension using color. Below that, we have a highlight table with numbers for each of the colored lines as well as row and column totals. What makes this dashboard powerful for the analyst is the level of control available from just a few drop-downs. First, the time frame drop-down allows us to select our commonly used time frames. Show interval in progress allows us to preview the current incomplete period, January in this example, or exclude it to make sure we're comparing apples to apples. Below that, we can draw our line based on a number of aggregation types on a number of measures. For example, sum, median, or count. And then we can select our measure, maybe days to ship, or even shipping cost. We can draw our line based on a number of aggregation types on a number of measures. Then we can break out our line into multiple colors based on a dimension. If we need to compare or reference another metric, we can draw it as the gray background bars as a comparison. As if that wasn't enough control already, we can also filter down to exactly what we're trying to analyze using these quick filters. The final feature of this dashboard is a drill down to order level information by hovering over any point on the chart and clicking Show Orders. This is a filter action that brings up the View Detail sheet. As always, we need to build this with our audience in mind, so here are a few key things to remember when building an analytical dashboard. First, analysts are rarely looking solely at high or mid-level summary information. They need to have the flexibility to go deeper, explore trends, and draw out insights, which could then become managed goals or KPIs for the higher level dashboards. Second, it's important to understand the exploratory path they take with the data, and every scenario is different. This means we may need to enable a variety of drill-in options to suit a diverse choose-your-own-adventure type of flow. Third, where we might want to hide options or restrict and simplify our other types of dashboards, an analytical dashboard is nearly opposite. We aren't trying to narrow the focus, it's up to the analyst to do that. Instead, we can provide a flexible, robust platform with all the applicable filters, parameters, and comparison options that might overwhelm and discourage normal business users, but are vital for an analyst's role. It might take a few more minutes of training to get familiar with features and options than other types of dashboards, but it's an investment with a high return if they're able to quickly extract the insights they're looking for. If the analyst is running into limitations with the capabilities of the dashboard, you can bet they'll begin to regularly use other methods to get the information they seek instead of your dashboard. Now that we've understood the project and toured our finished dashboard, In the next video, we'll begin by enabling robust time series options.